Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you another idea for your Super Bowl parties. The ingredients we're going to need today are strawberries. We're going to need chocolate chips, green candy melting wafers, and I also have a vanilla candy that can be melted. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is wash your strawberries. Then we're going to melt our chocolate chips in the microwave. Okay guys, once you've melted your chocolate chips, all we're going to do is take a strawberry and we're just going to twist it around in there. Just like so. And we're going to do that for each strawberry. Once you have all your strawberries coated in the chocolate, we're just going to set them in the refrigerator for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, next you want to melt your vanilla, and all we're going to do is put it in a piping bag like I've done, and we're just going to go ahead, make a straight line to make them look like footballs, and just 3 lines across. Okay guys, I have my green wafers melted. All we're going to do now is take it and drizzle over top of our strawberry. And it's that simple, guys. Okay guys, here's another quick and simple idea for your Super Bowl parties. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.